Hi all, I'm Smokerman and today I'm gonna teach you how to put the beta developer on Redmi Note 5 Pro on or any other device which has updated to Android 9. Okay, as you see, I bought my phone with MIUI Global Stable 10.2. Okay, and if I try to update to the new version of the MIUI, the 9.4, it doesn't allow me. Okay, so what can you do? I have my bootloader locked, so I can't do really nothing because I have to flash the Android Pie version on fast boot. I don't have my bootloader unlocked, so I can't. What I found, you just tap 10 times here on the 10. It gonna appears all the options here. You just go to choose update package and go here. Okay, as you see, I have downloaded the 9.4.18. It doesn't allow me, so I'm downloading the 9.3.15 version. It's the latest with Android 8, and I'm gonna be back soon. Okay, so wait a minute. As I told you, now I have downloaded the ROM. I'm gonna turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna go to File Manager to show you guys where is the ROM. It's here, as you see. You have the Note Pro Global 9.3.14. So let's try this on MIUI Global 10.2. Let's see if I can go back. Just choose update package, go and see the global, choose, put OK, and let's see what it says, if I can go back or no. Let me see. I'm getting the info. Don't forget, if it's okay, to back up first, back up all your stuff first, okay? I think it's getting too long, so maybe I can't do it. Let me see. But don't forget, back up all the stuff before, because this procedure is gonna erase all your internal memory. So if you have photos or something, just put it. See, it's going to revert to Wider Global 9. So everything is gonna be erased. I'm gonna erase and update, and let's wait. Okay, so I will be back soon. Don't forget to subscribe, to press thanks on the video. Okay, hit the notifications to receive all. It's doing the update, in this case a downgrade, and I will be soon. So I'm finishing the installation. I have to put my password from the Gmail. If you don't want to put that, just remove your Google account first, not your Xiaomi account, only the Google account. Remove it, but if you don't want to remove, just put the password again, and it's all done. So it's finished the first boot. It's finishing, as you see. It's here, all here, and I'm gonna see, as you see, Redmi Note 5 global beta in gives me an update already. Okay, as you see, the update, it's here. Okay, at first installation. So this is Android Pie, I think still 8, as you see here, it's Android 8. Okay, but I think this update it's Android Pie. Okay, I can put here because I have it here. It's 9.4.18. I have it, so it's here. The global. Okay, I'm gonna put OK. It's gonna looking for informations, and as you see, as simple as that, you have Android Pie on your Xiaomi. You just have to lose everything, but I prefer the developer version than the stable. Okay, it's my personal preference, but if you want it, so just do that and you are gonna be okay. If you have any comments, just put down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like on the button, and I see you soon. I am Smokerman, and thanks for watching.